I pray to God, my heart, soul and body, every single day of my life, with every breath, I solemnly promise to try to live my life for you. Oh Allah, you did revive my soul and shone your light into my heart. So pleasing you is now my only goal. Oh, I love you so, I love you so, I love you so. Now I know how it's like to have you.
That's something as well, man. You know, because you're trying to defend your crew and you're up on it.
To finally be at peace inside. I wish that everybody knew how amazing it feels to love you. I wish that everyone
Come on.
see
Don't give up, man.
how your love has set me free. Set me free
That's it.
and made me strong.
My goodness.